Hi guys, welcome back. I'm here at the Tractor Supply store to do a store walkthrough. So if that's something you're interested in, stay tuned. Alrighty guys, this garage in a box round up. It is a 12 by 20 by 8 ready to build instant garage. It is $650. Huh. Well, this is nice. Okay. Yes guys, premium powder coated steel frame, corrosion resistant. Nice. They also have this one, but I do not see the price for this one. Oh yes, I do. This one is the 3-in-1 shelter. It is a 10 by 15 by 8 multi-purpose shelter and storage for $400. Securely anchor your canopy to grass or unpacked soil. Heavy-duty rust-resistant steel construction. So it is $140. See, how many do you get? Look like you get 6 of these. Okay. Alrighty guys, they have a few pieces over here for the men, and we're going to briefly go over a few of their clothing. These pants are $34.99. These are Blue Mountain. Okay. They also have it in the denim. They also have these cute tops here, these short sleeve tops. These are really nice and very well made by Blue Mountain, and these are $21.99. The long sleeves are $24.99. Okay, and we have a few patterns here. Alrighty friends, we are walking in on a sale today. This all Blackstone grills and accessories, they are 10% off today. So this smoker, it is $500 before the 10% off. This 24-inch portable barrel fan, it's $150. So this 5,500 volts, 1 acre coverage, black flag bug zapper. Black light technology attracts and kills 40% more insects. It is $60. Thermacell mosquito repellent is $40. The repellent refills, they're $20. Scent-free, no spray. This solar flag pole light, 2 white SMD LEDs, 60 lumens, up to 8 hours of runtime. They are $20. This igloo cooler, it is $100. And this lifetime cooler is $110. This one is a 5-gallon, and this one is a 25-quart. Outdoor picnic blanket for $20, and you can fold it up, guys, and it even have the Velcro to make it look like a little briefcase or something. So that's cute. The cornhole bags are $40. Alrighty guys, this total vegetable control is $110. It is 1 gallon. And they also have this one, which is a quart size, for $45. The total vegetable control. Fast acting weed and grass killer. It says visible results in 12 hours. This one is $120. This Gordon's Barrier year-long vegetation control. It is concentrated and it kills unwanted weeds, brush, and grass for $200. It is a 2.5 gallon. This herbicide is $180. Okay. This crabgrass plus lawn weed killer. It is concentrated. The original price was $80. It is on sale for $50. Okay, this crabgrass plus lawn weed killer. It is concentrated. The original price was $80. It is on sale for $50. Okay. Bug no more. It is $50. Brush killer for large property. It is $75. Brush killer hard to kill brush. It's $95. This LV400 4D weed killer is $80. This liquid tank cleaner is $17. This defoamer is $17. Spray tank cleaner and rinsing agent is $12. Spray indicator in the color blue for $28. Alrighty friends, over here we have the 10-pound organic poultry feed for $18. So this one is the organic egg layer pellets, organic egg layer crumbles, poultry stretch grains. Okay, $18. And here we have the whole coin for $10.49. It is 50 pounds. Pelletized horse bedding, $7.49. This folding saddle rack is $44. Folds up in one easy movement. Freestanding rack folds up for portability and storage. Heavy-duty powder-coated steel frame. Features 2 tack hooks and heavy-duty blanket storage platform. Only $44. Not bad. Alrighty guys, we have this 2-tier rolling saddle rack for $130. It is powder coated finish as well. Okay guys, they have these cute little bird feeders here. How cute. So this one, it says refill tall finch sock feeder for $18. This one is $20. This one and this one. And this one is $53. Nice. And look at this one. Bluebird house. Easy to clean. Adorable. Oh yes, this one is $26. This one is cute. Large red barn feeder for $23. General store, $25. Has the open sign. How cute is that? Oh, they also have it in the white. Oh my goodness. Oh yes. Ooh, look at this blue one. How cute is that one? Oh my word. That one's cute. Oh yes. Alrighty guys, so we have the squirrel best defense against squirrels. 4-port squirrel resistant feeder for $44.99. Alrighty guys, this 30-second outdoor cleaner. Good for algae, mold, and mildew. $17.99 for a 2-quart size. This 1 gallon is $13. And the larger one, which is 2.5 gallons for $20. That's this mold killer. You get 12 worms and they are $20. This one is poison peanuts pellets for $8. If you have moles in your yard, you know what I'm talking about. Oh my goodness. Woo, I had that problem a couple of years ago and I'm looking for the product that I purchased. I think it was this one. This one is $27. I think I actually got this big one because my yard is a little large. Yeah. Kills rats, mice, and metal voles. $35, guys, and it works really well. Yes. Okay. Ooh, I mean, it creeps just to be over here. Woo. Have all of those up there, guys. But yeah, they really work, guys. I didn't have a problem with the moles for a few years. Now they're back, so I need to redo it. Okay. They also have mouse killers for $15 for this larger bag, and the smaller bag is $12. The deer and rabbit repellent, ready to use, harmless to plants and animals. It is $29 for 1 gallon. Alrighty guys, you want to keep the birds off your deck and off your fences and things like that? Here you go. This aisle is $30 and these are $22.99. Hawk decor. Oh my goodness, this is the way to buy the 7. Okay, 7 insect killer. This is the concentrated one. Protect your garden and flowers. The tag says $80, guys. Okay, this one is ready to use. It's not concentrated. It is $22. Then we have the smaller one, disease and insect control, right here for $13. Okay. Well, all right, friends, that is it here today at the Tractor Supply store. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share my content with others. Thank you all so much for your support, and I'll see you all in the next one.